If you've ever wondered why scammers might let you have access to their PCs, well, there's a good reason. This is what I saw when I tried to use TeamViewer the other day. It clearly says that there's a scam warning, and that's because TeamViewer now identify connections from India. Because of this, scammers sometimes let you connect to their PCs first, and that's where you can download lots of interesting files. And here's another example that I got from a phone call just the other day. Hello.
Yeah, hi sir. This is David back from BT Open Reach, sir. As you said me to call you back after 1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
All
yeah.
right.
Sorry, it was OpenReach, did you say?
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Sir.
Oh, right. Okay.
From BT Open Reach.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. What's the problem? David pretends to be my broadband provider, and he says that my computer is sending him warnings and errors, all made up, of course. Unusually, our call is cut off, and I seem to be conferenced into another victim at the same time. Hello?
Oh, yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Is that OpenReach again?
No, you're not speaking to OpenReach, no. I think you must have...
So these guys seem to be pretty incompetent when using their own phone system. When he calls back, I challenge our scammer as to why I heard another voice. Hello?
There's one more call is added on this call. That is the reason, sir.
Right, I heard somebody else saying...
yeah.
Right, okay.
So now, what exactly do you see on a computer screen? Can you just tell me?
So he was hoping I didn't notice his obvious goof. He gets me to download and run TeamViewer. TeamViewer gives him remote access to this virtual computer, and I've sped this up just so that you don't have to endure me downloading and installing the software. Once TeamViewer is installed, I can fire up Wireshark and grab the IP address that he's connecting from. But what I'm really hoping he'll do is ask me to connect to his PC first of all. If he does that, I'm going to try and grab some of his files so that we can see a little bit more about who these scammers actually are.
358.
358. Okay.
And now just give a click on connect.
Connect. I'm really slow with computers, so you'll have to bear with me. I just make a note of the login details so that I can try from a different PC.
Yeah. And now just write down the password. It's 4981.
Okay. 4981.
And now just give a click on log on option.
Okay. And I'm now connected to the scammer's PC, which he's named BT Main Server.
There's home action view communicate. Can you see that?
Unfortunately, this version of TeamViewer doesn't let me lock him out of his PC. I can't disable the remote input.
Which side? Give a click on that.
Communicate, okay. I ignore his instructions and fire up the file transfer program. I have a look around for some interesting files on his computer, but he's a little bit too wary, and whenever I start to transfer them, he does this. It says communicate. Oh, hang on. I continue to play dumb. He's obviously realised that I fired up the file transfer program and he doesn't want me downloading anything.
No.
Okay. But I reconnect TeamViewer and I try the same thing again.
Says home action view communicate. Give a click on communicate.
Yeah, okay. I've got that.
Sir, you need to give a click on remote control option. You are clicking on file transfer option.
So he's obviously clued into what I'm doing, so I lull him into a false sense of security by just letting him connect to my PC. Okay, I have got remote control ticked.
Give a click on communicate option.
Okay. Communicate. Yeah, there it
and
is.
now just give a click on, just look on the extreme top.
Yeah.
You would be able to see there's an option says communicate. And then give a click on communicate and then switch sides.
Ah, right. Switch sides. Yeah, I've got that. As soon as I click on switch sides, he now has access to my PC.
Yeah, now what can you see on the computer screen? Can you just tell me?
Hang
Like
on.
what exactly
Just,
do you
hang
see
on,
on the
it's just
computer screen?
it's just
tell me.
flickering it now. It's got 123computer.com.
Okay, just close down that. Now, sir, let me tell you.
Now he says that he's going to scan my router, even though all this time he's still fully connected and will be watching what I was doing. He instructs me to run the cmd command and then type tree.
Once you press enter, you would be able to see the scanning was start, okay?
The tree command is of course an old scammer favourite. All it does is list the directories, and it gives them an opportunity to type stuff on that command line. Okay, I think it stopped. It said something.
Can you see anything?
Yeah, it says current status: customer router warranty has expired. Customer is eligible to get a new router. Customer is eligible to get a compensation of 204.65 GBP via bank as goodwill gesture. It said something about 200. Right.
I got that. I'm explaining you what's going on.
So this is the crux of the scam. What he really wants me to do is log on to my bank details as he watches, and then he can grab those and transfer as much money as he likes to his account. But while he's distracted trying to explain how I have to log on to my bank, I meanwhile connect to his PC, and I see some very interesting notes on his background screen. He pretty quickly disconnects me again. Oh, hang on, it's dropped. Something's just appeared here. We'll come back to those post-it notes in just a moment.
Give a click on that.
So he gets me once again to reconnect to his computer, and I waste no time and attempt to download all those files again. Yeah, I've got communicate, yeah.
Give a click on switch service partner.
Yeah, I think I've just clicked it this minute.
Give a click on switch service partner.
Yeah, I've got it says, it keeps saying something about switch sides with partner. And once again, he dumps me out of his PC. Hello? But I've pretty much downloaded everything he had. I have a look at some of the files.
Can you tell me what exactly are you doing?
I'm trying to switch sides like before.
But you are not doing that, sir.
Okay. From the files that I've downloaded, I can see that the scammers are pretending to be both BT Openreach and Telstra in Australia. The names of these scammers seem to be Bashkar, Vikash and Cyan. They're now thoroughly rattled and they ask me if I'm a computer technician. Apparently they don't support technicians, so they make one last try and get me to read out my ID. 656. This time, instead of making a connection directly to my PC, I'm given a warning by TeamViewer. Scam warning. Did you request remote support? If not, please consider that the person calling may have fraudulent intentions. Deny access. So companies such as TalkTalk, Microsoft and BT never make unsolicited calls to anyone regarding any support issues. So well done to TeamViewer. They've picked up an inbound connection from India and have warned the potential victim and said that the likes of TalkTalk, BT and Microsoft never make unsolicited calls like this.
Are you the person from IT department? Sir, tell me one thing. It's good that you know everything. It's good. Just tell me one thing. What have you taken from our computers?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut.
And here we'll leave the audio, but you can imagine what he's just said to me. So now that he's disconnected, let's have a closer look at some of the files that I've picked up. This is the scammer's desktop and it's full of electronic post-its with lots of information of victims they've called. There's someone's Gmail address and its password with a phone number. There's some scammer login information for some of their web servers. So as well as Bashkar, Cyan and Vikash, I also see the names Krishna, Sarah and Clay. But the majority of the information on these post-its is about people who they intend to phone back. So I decided to phone a few of these potential victims before the scammers did. I did manage to phone all of the numbers that I saw. In some cases I had to leave voicemail, but in others I recorded a couple of the conversations that I had.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jim Browning. The reason why I'm ringing you is I suspect that you've been contacted by someone claiming to be BT OpenReach a little bit earlier.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you're aware of this, but I'm almost certain that those people claiming that they're BT OpenReach are fraudsters, and they're from Kolkata.
Yeah, we did realize that. That's why I had to ring you up and let you know that somebody rang in your name.
Yes, I'm not from BT OpenReach, but what I did manage to do was get access to their computers, and that's where I got your phone number from. So it was only just to warn you that they are scammers, and just to hang up, really. I'm contacting all the people I managed to get to find here. So sorry, at least I'm guessing they were going to try and get money out of people that they phoned. So
well, they did. They asked us to turn on the computer and things like that. And
okay. Well, I'm glad you didn't fall for it anyway.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I'm phoning around a few people, but okay, I appreciate that. Okay. All right. That's good to hear anyway. All right.
Okay.
Thank you then.
Okay. Thank you
Thanks.
very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. So seemingly most people did not fall for this scam, but nevertheless I phoned up a few others just to make sure.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. I gave the same explanation to the next person that I called, and I asked him if he'd paid these guys. This was his answer.
Oh, that's very kind, thank you. Yeah, I was fairly suspicious of it anyway, so...
Right, okay. In that case, the list that I have here is probably not people that they've managed to con, I guess. It's maybe just their contacts I'm looking at then, because I phoned around 2 other people in the same story. Kind of saw through what they were saying. Okay, alright. Anyway, sorry for disturbing you, and it's good to know that...
Thank you very much for the call, I really appreciate it.
That's okay, no problem at all.
Thank you very much.
Okay, no problem.
Bye.
Thanks, and bye. So the really encouraging thing from this is that TeamViewer have taken action and have blocked direct access from India. I hope the other remote access software companies take note, particularly Fast Support, which seems to be used a lot by scammers. I've sent a link to this video to Fast Support in the hope that they may be able to do what TeamViewer have done. So once again, thank you for watching. If you'd like to help me out, I've got a Patreon account, and the link is in the description below. I'm even dabbling a bit with Bitcoin, and if that's your thing, there's also a way of sending me bits of Bitcoins again if you're so inclined. But as usual, you can contact me on Twitter at JimBrowning11. Thanks for watching.